Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey guys, what's up? It's Romy and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because you can see how I got this look right here, which was made up of a bunch of amazing products from small Black-owned businesses. I want to use my channel to help support the Black Lives Matter movement as much as I possibly can, and I thought this would be an amazing way to make a fun video for you guys, share some exposure to some amazing small businesses, and also just help support the movement. Also down below in the description box, I'm going to leave a bunch of links that you guys can check out to help support our Black communities. In this video, I did a whole haul of everything I bought, and then we did a little tutorial on how I got this look. And yeah, let's get started with the video. Hi guys, okay, welcome to my backyard. I figured we'd go outside for the haul because it's such a beautiful day. There are people next door building a brand new house, so hopefully I don't embarrass myself and also don't distract them. But let's get into the haul. First up, we're not going in any order, but we have Beauty Bakery, which I wanted to order from them for so long. I've seen Jeffree Star and a bunch of other people talk about them, and they have the cutest packaging, so let's get into it. So here's the box. It says, "So much cake, so little time," which is the motto of my life. I love how nicely wrapped these are. Like, no offense to Sephora, but they just kind of like throw things in a box with some plastic. Like, this is so cute and well done. We've got the pink tissue paper, the pink little things that get all over my life, and then, wait, this brand is actually so cute. So it's like a bakery theme. So all the products come in little like flour bags like this. So this is the Better Not Bitter flour setting powder. I got it in the color cassava. Oh my god, there's nutrition facts. It says vegan, calories, gluten, lightweight, mattifying, flashback. That is so cute. And this has a little stopper in it, which none of my high-end ones have a stopper, and I'm constantly making a mess all over my black pants every day, so I can't wait to use that. I also got the Sweet Grace baking spray. Oh my god, what a cute name. I don't remember getting this. Oh, sorry, one of my nose. It smells good though, I promise. Next up, I don't know about you guys, but my skin and my lips have been getting so dry and cracked and gross lately. So I got some lip scrubs, and also my boyfriend, Cal. Should I call him my boyfriend or should I call him Cal? Just Cal. Also, Cal's lips are always really dry, and I don't want to be kissing that. So I got him one too, and I got two flavors. I got the peach and the strawberry, which I want to see the inside. These poor people next door building a house are probably so sick of me. Ooh, it smells so good. It's like a creamy looking texture. Then we've got the long-lasting gloss. All of this is so nice. We got a gloss. We got this Cake Pop Lippy. Oh my god, the girl who founded it is named Cashmere. What a beautiful name. Oh wait, no. I think that's the shade of the lipstick. Oh no, it is. Her name's Cashmere. This is their lipstick in the shade Skinny Dip. So cute and little. Then this is adorable. It looks like a little pint of ice cream, but this is their new So Icy Illuminator, and it's like a loose powder. I got it in the color. So I don't know what shade this is, but basically it's like a really pretty illuminator you can put on your body or on your cheeks for a nice summer glow. Last but not least, I got a palette, which I am so obsessed with this brand now. This is the Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette, which again, look how cute this packaging is. And this one, oh my god, this is so right up my alley. It's like a bunch of purple shades. There's some maroon and just like nice neutral colors. I love a purple eyeshadow look, so I'm very excited to use this for like a date night. Next up, I purchased from a company called Mented, which I've never heard from before, but they had some amazing stuff online. First up, love the aesthetic, love this packaging. This is amazing. I saw so many different people of color on their website, which I thought was so cool. We've got beautifully wrapped, again, things. I just feel like there's so much effort put into all this, which I really appreciate. Cute. Cute. Okay. Oh, this is what I'm so excited about. First up, I picked up their brush because it just looked so luxe and high quality, and we live, we laugh. It's like a pretty stippling brush like this. Very soft, very nice. Then we got the Mented Brow or Later Medium Brown High Brow Precision Pencil. I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz every single day, and this looks like an exact dupe for less money, so I thought I would give it a try. It looks amazing. Also, I have to say, if you guys know me, I love any sort of like brown tone lipsticks, and honestly, there's like not that many out there on the market that I found that I loved, but when I was shopping on these websites, I found the most gorgeous, also like the most variety of brown lipsticks I've ever seen in my life, and I was so excited, so I bought so many. This is the semi-matte lipstick in Mented number 5, which is, and this one's called Brand Nude. That one is so me. I feel like this is like an everyday for me, and that one's like more of a going out, but those are gorgeous. Their packaging is so nice. Give this a feel.
Oh, I love the matte feel.
It feels expensive. This is just the box, but this is the Mented Silk Skin Loose Setting Powder, and I loved it because they had different shades of setting powder. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I use the translucent, it leaves like a white cast on my face, so I wanted to try this one in light tan in hopes that maybe it'll match my skin tone a little better, and sometimes if I like mismatch my foundation, which happens a lot, then it will like help even it out a bit. Moving on, we have the lip bar, which I, of course, got some lip products, which I'm very excited about. Oh, also, I think I got another product from here, which I'm so excited to try. Again, great packaging, love the effort. I think that it is so important. Yes! Okay, I was like especially excited for this one product. Okay, so obviously it's called the lip bar. I had to pick up a lip product, so I got their lip gloss actually. This is just a clear lip gloss, which I feel like these are so hard to find. I have a couple of them, and some of the scents make me a little nauseous. Some of them are too sticky. I am obsessed with this packaging, first of all. I love the applicator. It like bends back, so it really lets you get like all over the lip. Oh my god, this is amazing. It's not sticky. I'm literally gonna go on and order more of these colors now. Next up, I just realized I accidentally purchased two, but that's okay. I'm just gonna give one to a friend. I got their liquid eyeshadow in It Girl. I think this one was like really popular on their site, and I love a liquid shadow, whether I'm just wearing it alone or whether I'm wearing it under eyeshadow, so now I've got two. Then I thought this was really cool. This is their Minute Finish face palette. So basically in here, there is a face powder, there's a blush, and a contour, and a highlighter. Perfect if you're traveling, or if you wanna throw it like in your gym bag or something for whenever we go back to the gym. I just thought it was so cute and such a nice idea, and they had a bunch of different shades, which is really cool for all different skin tones. Last but not least, the product that I am by far most excited for this entire haul is the Fast Face by Lip Bar Skin Serum Foundation. It has hyaluronic acid and Irish moss extract. I don't know what Irish moss, oh, wow, I can't even talk right now. I don't even know what Irish moss extract is, but it is a foundation stick. Do you see this? There's foundation in here with a brush attached. Is this not the most genius thing you've ever seen? Also for me lately, I've been really trying to take care of my skin, so I don't really need a ton of foundation anymore, but I definitely like to build up coverage on my acne scarring in places, so this I think will be perfect. Also, they had a super wide range of shades, so I'm excited to try this. Last but not least, I ordered from Juvia's Place, which I've also seen a lot of influencers talk about before, and I'm so excited I finally placed an order. I love their packaging, I love all the bright colors, and everything looks like it's really great quality. So I got their I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. Oh, this one comes in like a little tube. I love that. I love the coral. Oh, I also got their multi-purpose foundation stick because I wanted to use this as a contour shade, and I got this to see if I could contour with it and also use it as like a concealer when I'm very tan. And last but not least, Juvia's Place is known for their amazing palettes, so of course I had to pick up a few. First of all, the packaging is so pretty. Also, I will say a lot of them were sold out, which is amazing for them, but there were a few that I really wanted but I couldn't get my hands on, so I'll have to place the order again later when they're back in stock. So this palette is called the Chocolates. Oh my gosh. This is going to be my new everyday palette. This is so pretty. I'm gonna put this all over the lid, this in the crease. This is so nice. And they're also so inexpensive. I think some of these were like under $10 on sale. This one is called the Nubian. I think this is one of their most famous palettes, and this one is, this is so pretty. This is a lot of beautiful like warm tones. I see a lot of people wearing warm tones on their eyes, and I definitely want to practice that because it's really pretty. So this is the perfect palette to try. And last but not least, this is the palette called the Saharan 2. Here we go. Oh my god, these pans are massive. I love this. I love all the burnt colors. I also love the blue shades because I love a pop of blue on the eyes, so I wanted to get this one. But yeah, that is the entire haul, and let's get to doing our makeup now. All right, guys, let's get started on the makeup. So we're going to begin with putting on our foundation, which again, I'm most excited about. So I think you just click it, till it comes up, and then we brush it right on. This is perfect if you're traveling. I really hope I matched my color correctly. I feel like it looks pretty good though. Okay, foundation is on. I will say the little brush makes it a little bit more time consuming to do the foundation, but the coverage is really nice. I like how I could build it up on this cheek, and if I wanted to like add a little more, I can just stipple it on right there. It does oxidize a little bit more orangey too, but overall I think it looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna take some of the Beauty Bakery powder and set the yellow under my eyes, just to make them look a little brighter. Looks good. And then I'm gonna use the Mented powder all over my face. Ooh! Wow, that is mattifying. Make sure we blend it down on the neck. I'm gonna do this color called Fresh Face from the Beauty Bakery palette on the lid. Oh my God. Oh, that's so pretty. No primer too, just throw that on. Oh my God. Then in the crease, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown color. I'm gonna mix these two here actually. These are so pretty. Pop this in the crease to add some dimension. I probably should have started this video by saying I'm not a beauty guru, but I forgot till just now that I'm not. I'm gonna highlight the brow bone with this color here. Oh, she's got a gold undertone. She's very pretty. I'm gonna use the Mented brow pencil. Ooh, this looks nice. I love a fresh brow pencil. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I love when a brow pencil's not too creamy. I like when they're a little more waxy because they stay on well. And this is perfect to fill in all my sparse areas. I did get microblading like 2 years ago, so I have like a little bit of that left. Next up, I didn't buy any liner, mascara, or lashes, so I'm just gonna do that really quickly and then I'll come back. All right, lashes, liner, and mascara are on. Now I'm gonna go in with my little face palette here, and this is pretty much all I really need. I'm gonna get my contour color, contour the, wow, that looks good. Contour the cheeks out. Contour on, now I'm gonna highlight with this one. Let's see how blinding this is. Whoa! Oh my God, I'm gonna have to blend that out. This is a lot, okay. I didn't know it was gonna be that blinding. Nose. And then of course, a little bit on the inner corner. I love this color, oh my God. All right, wait, I'm so happy with this. I'm gonna try the Beauty Bakery lip scrub because my lips, oh, I like the consistency. My lips are definitely a little dry. They need some help. I'm gonna try the Mented Brand Nude lipstick. Oh my God, I love this color. Then to make it a little lighter, I'm going to mix it with the Skinny Dip lipstick from Beauty Bakery. Make it a little more pinky. Ooh, I love that. And then to top it with the gloss, we have the Lip Bar Clear or this sparkly one from Beauty Bakery. I think I'm gonna do clear. I'll keep it a little more simple. Last but not least, we're gonna make our makeup stay all day with our little setting spray. And there you have it, guys. That is my makeup look with all of the amazing products that I picked up from small Black-owned businesses. Also down below, I'm going to link a ton of different organizations and petitions and videos you guys can watch to help support the Black Lives Matter movement. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.